Okay, hey YouTube, it's Black Ops Maniac again, same night. Yeah, cousin Kyle. Yeah, we are gonna work on the Riot Shield we just showed you. I just showed you in the video, which is, wait, shut up! And then, which is called Airsoft Target Homemade and new videos or whatever. Watch that before you watch this. If you're watching this, exit right now. Watch the video and then watch this now so you understand what we're gonna do. Okay, yeah, so let's get started. Right now we're gonna cut the window out for the Riot Shield. That's pretty much all we're gonna do in this video because we still don't know what to use for the glass part or whatever. So we can see through it, but tape. We're thinking tape, but you know that wouldn't really work because you can both do that, especially if you're in Airsoft war, high FPS, high damage. You know what I'm. Alright, so here, over here. Alright, one more thing too. We got this outside too at the dumpster. It was made out of from a spinning cabinet. Yeah.
Oh, you want to see a picture?
Yeah, and there's some bad pictures in there. You know what I mean? You know, girls kissing, and yeah, it was under like this thing. But yeah, we disposed of it. So right now we're cutting out video. Kyle, entertain them. So yeah, my cousin here is gonna entertain you while I cut this and shit. Actually, I will just stop the video now and then you'll see it when I'm done. Okay? Okay. As you can see, I have finished cutting through the Riot Shield, which was not in the past. Trust me. Now, what we have to do is find some material, yeah, that is clear and would be durable, so when it's shot at by an airsoft gun, which, yeah, usually have an airsoft wars have high FPS, would withstand it. So,
if you have any idea.
yeah, if you have an idea, once again, leave a video response, and we also have to do a handle. So yeah, feel free. Yeah, so. Okay, so now.
We're experimenting.
Yeah. So now we have found a material to most likely withstand the BBs because it's pretty good plastic. It is the plastic. Yes, it is not. It's plastic. It's the plastic from one of these sun floater thingies, whatever you want to call it. I double layered it. Yes, I wouldn't mind. Well, yeah, whatever. You can cut that. It's no problem. So then I double layered it onto here, and on the back I duct taped it so it would stay. And yeah. So now, probably about a half hour later, I will resume the video because now I have to buy something else for the handle.
Goodbye.
Video responses would be good, so okay, so I have figured out what we're gonna use for a handle. I took my Guitar Hero strap and I cut a piece of it. And what I'm gonna do basically is, hold on, just to show you the game plan. Stand. You know, put this. It's kind of hard. So, you know, put it right here. or whatever. So then it's like a handle right there, but I'm not sure right now. I'm gonna, put it on because you can't nail it because of how thin this is. But it's still pretty sturdy. But yeah, so kind of stuck right now. And once the right Sheild is completely finished, I will make a video and show you because me and my cousin gonna paint it black and yeah. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And rate, not rate. That is a misconception. So I do not give you consent to rate. I give you consent to rate and also to comment and subscribe. So don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. No rating.